Hey guys, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to Star-Studded Baskets and Berries. Let's get started with this basket. It's going to be LOL. Oh my God. We're going to go ahead and we have our basket. We already had our box, which is our filler box, wrapped. And we're going to do this shred stuffing now. And then we'll start building our basket. We're going to have a LOL towel. Of course, I found that on clearance, I think at Dollar General. Paid a few dollars for it. This LOL puzzle. I think I got that from, it's not coming to me right now, but it will momentarily. Fashion Sense. Is it Fashion Sense? I can't remember.
City Trends.
But it also was on clearance. And we're going to secure these items together so that they don't move around in the basket. And that's kind of the purpose for having this box in here. So there is some stability. We have this little, I call them blocks. It's just a decor block. This says Hugs and Kisses. We'll make this a fixture in the front. Go ahead and secure this in. We have, of course, our bear. I choose the multicolored bear. Get this taped on in here. And this is, it has some LOL little bracelets. And if the bracelets, I figure if the bracelets are too small for the recipients, they can always use them as something else. Had to be cute though. Alright, a little room freshener. I thought it was cute because it's cotton
candy.
Scent. I think I got that from Dollar General. And then that is a bath ball. Of course, because it kind of goes along with the theme, because there's a towel, the room freshener, and then we're going to put some, we haven't put any chocolate or anything in here as of yet. I kind of had to work with this tile. As last resort, I would have put some ribbon around it. But as you see, here we put a sponge in here, purple sponge. Then there's some bubble bath in there as well. And then there's a bag of heart pretzels in the basket as well. And then we have fixed our bow, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have not already subscribed, like, share, and till next time.